told you last night when you lost sleep, would you let it ring up for me? Said you needed time to think. It's this you process what it means, so I wrote it down instead. All the things that night I would have said are true. Stick figures of you and I on a hillside. Are true. Stick figures of you and me. Don't you agree? We would make the best team better than the nicest polls ever were. Jordan, Rodney, and Pippen wouldn't have no one to hit them. I drove down big and it's you outside with tears in your eyes from your late night drive. I know you're scared and so am I, but I think that your sign we're worth a try. And I wrote it down instead. All the things that night I couldn't say are true. Stick figures of you and I on a hillside are true. Stick figures of you and me. Don't you agree? We would make the best team better than the 96 Bulls ever were. Jordan, Rodney, and Pippen wouldn't have no one that hit them. Jordan, Rodney, and Pippen wouldn't have no one that.
Where are you guys? Whoa, quite a few people in. Sweet. I'm getting stopped out of this. Space some squeeze if I am 60. I should be out any sec. This is XBIO. It's very close to getting stopped out. It's just rejected. What's up, guys? Well, I'm just watching this very closely because I might get stopped out. XBIO. I should be getting stopped out. I don't know. It might feel viewer. If it comes down, it could be a lucrative trade. But I don't think I'm lucky. Oh, we're seeing the 40s. I don't think I'll be. I mean, it's a green trade no matter what. But it's just the potential. It's got so much potential. Seeing the 30s. God, might have just survived that. What's up, guys? So, let's just share my screen. Very good. Good last month. Not so good this month. Let's just see where we are. I'm up 550 as of now, but if XBIO falls, like there's like 100% in this. Nice. It's looking okay. What the fuck is going on with this? I can't seem to. Yeah, that's not what I want. Sorry, guys. Give us a sec. Like, it's so weird. This. Okay. So let's go back. Sorry, I haven't been on for a while. I just got like not burnt out, but like fucking market's difficult. Not doing so well. And I was just like, but also I was just sick. Like I've been working on a guide for like a month, day and night, and like you guys don't realize how much time goes into it. Like I was working on the guide day and night, and then I was so sick of everything related to trading that I just did. Like I was working like literally 5 hours sleep, working 6 hours sleep, and just working 14 hours a day on the guide, and then the amends, and then making sure everything's correct, and then going through mistakes. And if it's a 6 hour guide, you've got to watch it for 6 hours multiple times to make sure it's okay. So absolute disaster, and it made us not like trading for a bit because I was so sick. But anyway. I've had like a bit more of a rest. I've took a bit of chill, took a couple of days off, like trading, but hardly ever. And this is how we're doing basically. It's potentially more than 550. I'm just being cautious for XBIO. I don't know if it's going to blow through me stop. Like it'll be like a small win if it blows through me stop. It's fine, but like it's potentially lucrative if it doesn't. But I think we're coming back. But yeah, minus. So it's like I'm like flat on the month. Great month last month, and then just couldn't repeat it. Like nothing has fallen in this market, and I honestly think that I'm doing a pretty good job. Strategy is good. I think I'm doing a good job. I mean, once or twice I kind of lost my head a bit, but I mean, I think what I'm really good at is, so this will be like minus 200. I think what I'm really good at is like, look, sometimes the market's dead bullish and I'm a short seller, and I'm not good enough to be a long and a short seller yet. I'm trying. But what's really good is when the markets go really bullish, like I can just hold tight, don't lose, play defense. And then like when you get the good months, like the Mays and the Marches and the Novembers, like you'll bank enough to last a couple of months. So anyway, so that's where I am, up like 58.7, hoping towards that 60k mark. But in terms of trading, it's a small account challenge. So with Trade Zero, basically, I turned 1.8 into about 4. But there's some affiliates. But I mean, at least I doubled me Trade Zero small account, and then I just withdrew because the market was too bullish and I was scared I was going to fuck up. So I need a new challenge. If you guys want to comment a new challenge, like what would you like me to see me do? Like I've withdrew from both accounts now. I took like 4 grand from Trade Zero and 9 grand from Speed Trader. So I've took 10, 11, 12. I've withdrew 13 grand out of my account. So whatever you guys want to see is a next challenge, comment it on the YouTube video or comment it in the stream. I'll do whatever challenges want on live stream every day because it's fun. And I just want to help people. But let's just have a like basically 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm green 5 out of 5 today, which is how I wanna be. XBIO is very small trade. That borrows are expensive and it's too much volume. I was too scared. XBIO is like the soup du jour of the day, as one person used to say to us. It's like, it's a biotech, right? So it's shitty and it probably needs to raise money. I haven't gone through the flash SEC filings because I'm not honestly in enough size to care. Like I'm only in 200 shares, so I don't care. I'm not going to put the research time into it. But for those from Stocks to Trade Pro, I was just chatting to them and giving them some help. When I was saying I was taking this, we're okay, yeah. When I was telling people I was taking this short, they were like, you're brave and stuff like that. Brave of you, like, and that's a compliment and a backdoor kind of risky. Like they're not dissing, but they're like saying dangerous. You're a gunslinger. Do you know what I mean? There's that in the back. So I just wanted to explain it just so people knew. So with XBIO, you've got it's a sweet long, nice volume, relatively clean chart. I mean, terrible chart history, but the volume's so breakthrough it doesn't matter. The biotech's a hot sector, as we just had CRIS yesterday. So for all intensive purposes, this should go. This is low float, high volume, hot sector. For all intensive purposes, this should go. It still might go. It might recover VWAP and squeeze all afternoon. It kind of should have looked like it was going to break down here, and it didn't. But what I was specifically looking at, and what I want you guys to kind of see is, we had the opportunity, and Stocks to Trade's been a bit slow, but we had the opportunity here. So we had this descending price action. And normally for a good long, once it breaks out of the descending price action, and we didn't get like substantial breakout volume, but we got this like nearly 4 million candle, which is pretty huge. We got this big 4 million candle, and we got the breakout of the price action, and it just got slammed back. You see this wick? There's a big wick here. So I'm stopped out any second, I think, 466. We got slammed out in this area, which means that someone probably with a lot of size is getting out, and they've like potentially ramped it up, higher lows, and as soon as it's come to breakthrough, like that could just be someone offloading a 4 million share position. They've just dumped it, or so there's either big money getting out or there's big money above, and you don't know who it is, why they might be doing it. All you know is that there's big money above, or someone below with big money wants to get out. So when you see this wick, this big rejection, and then this immediate tank, you can see that that's potentially that's like 7 million shares offloaded there. And for me, that's a sign to getting short. So then when that is coupled with this wedge break and this tightening action, which actually falls to the downside, that's a nice short at 488. You can take that short around the 487s, 488s, and you're risking like 2 cents. And you've got a thesis, right? Everyone who's long is fucked. We know that there's big money above. We know that big money's just got out. Or someone with a big position has just got out. We've saw the hard tank. After the tank, it didn't recover. So the last confirmation we need is just this tightening action. We just need it to fail. So as soon as we get the failure of the action in the 483s, it's just a matter of time before people give up or it starts to fall apart. Now, as of right now, it seems to be almost reclaiming a bit, but I mean, because of the volume in the hot sector, it's pretty bullish. But look, I'm not interested what this does at 3 o'clock. I'm interested to know that right now in this specific situation, someone with big size is getting out and it's not recovering. So whoever's got the big money, if they're getting out and it's not recovering and it's breaking down, I'm riding that move down, taking profits on the way until my thesis is proven otherwise. Now it looks like my thesis is going to be proven otherwise. But you never know. I mean, that's a double top. We're starting to reject hard again. This could just be some trapped shorts getting out, and we ride it back with a VWAP, and then it falls apart all afternoon. We don't know. It may well be ducks above holding it down. So I mean, look, I took this long that I was just talking about this stuff. I took the long, but I realized it was stuffing, so I got out. So I made money long, and then I've made money short. But my big winner today was CNET, and the things are running a bit slow. I've got too many applications, so I'll just stop it here. And I've also got a freelance call for advertising. Sadly, I'm not secure enough in me trading to trade full time yet. But CNET, gap and crap, gap and crap, gap and crap, gap and crap. And what does it do today? Gap and craps. CNET's a Chinese company. China's not hot right now. It was hot about a week ago. It's not hot anymore. Biotech's hot now with the run of CRIS and now XBIO. Biotechs are hot. It was basically it's now biotechs. Before that, it was China. Before that, it was like Bitcoin. Before that, it was EVs. Like they're the last 4 hot sectors. Like China is out. Biotechs for the first time in 5 years are in. So we've got this move on CNET, and it always fails, right? It always fails. So unless it's going to have record breaking volume, and 25 million in this day and age in 2020 is not record breaking volume. Unless it has record breaking volume, it's just never going to run. So I can actually show you me. I've got me broker statement, so I can show you me short. One sec, because the broker statement shows you the ins and outs. So with CNET, you can see how it's as initially short around here, covered. Like you can see I'm in and out a little bit, short, cover, short again, cover. So I'm faked out twice. I'm cutting me losses 1%, 2%. I always cut me losses tight. But then here it doesn't go on the 310s. So if we look at it on stocks trade, it's easier. So I've got like, I'm attempting to short here, it fails. I'm attempting to short here, it fails. And then the key, the sign here is this should squeeze here. This should be going, it should be going, it should be taken off. But for whatever reason, it's not broke down. So when I get this confirmation candle here that it's starting to fall back under VWAP, I know it's not the hot sector. It's not broke when it should. What's the other one? It's failed VWAP and it's not got enough volume. So like that's 4 indicators, I know. That mean it shouldn't go. And then like these covers, I mean, I'm maybe a little bit early in hindsight, but I don't know that this is going down to 230. Like I don't know this is going to drop to 230. I'm short from 310, so I'm taking not far off $1 on a $3 stock. Like I didn't expect that. And I mean, since, I mean, like I thought my covers were good. What did I cover? 230. Yeah, no, my covers were pretty good. Did I cover 10% off just off the lows? Yeah, I mean, look, I covered like 10 cents off where it is now, but I covered on the way down. So let me like there's a couple of other trades. I took Riot short because Bitcoin's failing. Like I can quickly show you Riot. Like Bitcoin's not kind of breaking through as people expected, or not as soon as people expected. So when Riot and Mara are running in it's all hot sector. Like trading is just all hot sectors. But when Riot had this first red day and then it was gapping down today, you're starting to think, oh, this could flush. This could flush out because Bitcoin's not doing as people thought. Oh no, XBIO must have gone. So I made $30. I made $30 on the short, and I made 15 on the long. Jesus Christ! But I'm just messing around. So XBIO, this could be setting up for the squeeze of all squeezes. Like if this potentially, loads of shorts have got in here. People have been short here, faked out, short here, faked out. Now there's a ton of shorts. Now, I'd love to see this like rip to the 5s, 6s, 7s, and 8s. Yeah. So I'll just answer some questions for you guys quickly because I've got to go. I've got a call in like 10 minutes. So, good morning, bro. What's up? Hey, brother. I'm glad I could see you on here. Thank you for asking us on Pro to come in because you reminded us. What's up, man? Hope it's a good day. Like 500. 483 all in all after me commissions, 480. So it's good. I'm like flat on the month, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? I had a great month last month. Nice. Very well done. Wrench. All right, brother. I know. We talked about some data, I think. Good one, Junkers. Yeah, I mean, look, 480 is 480. It's fucking... I'm not exactly setting the world on fire. What is it? 483. I'm not setting the world on fire. I've took some tough losses. So I've just sized down because the market's too bullish. Like after taking 2,000 plus losses, I'm like sizing down. I was long XBIO into that stuff. Yeah. S4. Good to see you. Good to see you, brother Clint. I hope you took some good shots. I literally have to bounce. What's up for S4? I'll have a quick look at S4. A couple of you guys are mentioning it. Oh. My computer has been so slow. Like it nearly didn't work this morning. I couldn't get anything open this morning. It's a fucking good computer. Fuck knows. I'm sorry, guys. I don't follow these sub penny things. Sorry to hear, brother. That's not a bad challenge. That is not a bad challenge. Go long. Only long trades. But it doesn't make sense because I do the challenges in my small account and Trade Zero is like a short broker. Do you know what I mean? I'm not using it for its advantages, but I could try and go long. I might try and go long. Let us think on it a couple of times. That's a really good idea. I might do it. I really, but it's hard though, because like when you're thinking short, it's a bit hard to go long, but I might. Alex Bulletin, you remind me of Alex Self. You've got the same name, but I wish Alex would come back. Go long on the shittiest stocks. No, you can. How to be long. All right. I think I might go long. Nice one table. 1K in a small account and turn it into 25. I'm actually Trade Zero account. I made money today on it. Actually, I forgot. I made $30 on Trade Zero. I made its Trade Zero account is $400, and I made $20, and I have to trade long because you need $500 for leverage. So I made $20 yesterday on Chris, and then $30 swinging it today. So I'm like up $50 on a $400 account, long only. Like I'm long and I'm making money. I hear it's dangerous, but I kind of want to. I know Mark Crook's got a course. I'm tempted to look at it. Yeah. I mean, if I just look at, stuff's failing, right? Like for sure, stuff's failing. Like CNET failed, NTech failed, Riot failed. Oh my god, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Check out XBIO. Oh my god, that's gonna squeeze. That looks like it's gonna go. My god. That is crazy. Now you see the importance of cutting losses, right? I stopped out at break even at 466. It's now at 5. I'd be 12% down, and God knows how much higher it's gonna go. You've got to be a robot, be emotionless, and cut your losses. It is Randy. What's up, Simon? How's it going, guys? There's too many of you in the room today. I cannot get through this. And I've got to go in 20 minutes. I'm so sorry. I can't get through these. There's too much. Great to see you all. Yes, drunk lad. I've never done it, mate. I've never done Dux's course, so I really can't comment on it. From what I hear, he very rarely trades. Whether that's good or bad, I don't know. I'm just a little small fish trader who's doing okay getting by. XBIO is trying to squeeze, but who knows? XBIO, my bets on this squeezes. If you can get a dip buy in the 450s to pick it up off VWAP, it's a good long. Probably be too scared to take it. How far do you look back? When look, a couple of years, 2 years. You like guys, I would lose by doing live trading. I would lose. I wouldn't be able to focus. I trade the same size, so I would lose money. It wouldn't be beneficial for us. The only way to do it would be to like do a room where it's $100 a month, but like, there's no way I'm doing that. Not until I probably wouldn't do it ever. But if I did, I'd have to have made $1 million first, or at least 500,000. I'm not being one of these jokers who make a room when they're not successful properly. And plus, I'd rather just be in pro in Tim Sykes' room. What's up, Deep? Nice to see you back. Keep grinding. Can you explain the thesis on CNET? Watch it back. It's already there. I've explained the full thing. It's like not hot sector, not got the volume history of failing, failed VWAP. Excellent. Very nice. All right, guys, I'm out. Peace. Have a great day. Might see you guys tomorrow.